Hello student, Sai Ram. Welcome to online computer class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, computer at various places. Now students, I am sure you all must have heard about fairy tales. A fairy has a magical wand in her hand and she can do anything by using that wand. Similarly, in today's world, computer act as a magic wand. Computer performs so many functions. We are using computer at different places for different purpose. Now, let's study use of computer at different places for different purpose, or role of computer at different places. Now, role of computer in school. We are using computer in school for teaching, for learning, for keeping students record in library, for track book records, for making question paper, for sending notice and circular to the students. In this way, we are using computer in school, in office, for sending and receiving mails, for typing and printing documents, for maintaining employee data. In this way, we are using computer in office. In bank, for maintaining money records, maintaining account details of customer. At ATM center, withdrawing money. In this way, we are using computer in bank. At home, for watching movies, doing homework, listening music, for information, for net surfing, for maintaining monthly expenses. In this way, we are using computer at home. At railway stations and at airport, for reservation and cancellations of tickets, for keeping records of arrival and departure of trains. In hospital, for diagnosis of disease, for keeping records of patients. In entertainment, for watching movies, listening music, for playing games. In designing in clothes, designing of building. In defense and research, scientists are using for launching missiles. In this way, we are using computer at different place for different purpose. Now, in today's session, we are going to learn role of computer in school, in office, in bank, at home, at railway station and at airport. Now, let's see one by one use of computer. First, use of computer in school. Use of computer in school for teaching, for learning. Nowadays, teachers are using computer for taking online classes. Students are using computer for learning. In schools, in school library, to track book records. In school, for maintaining students' records, for making question papers, making notes, making circular, sending circular to students. In this way, we are using computer in school. Students are using computer, or teachers using computer for preparing presentations in computer lab. So there are various uses of computer in school. Now let's see use of computer in office. Use of computer in office: scheduling meetings, for typing and printing documents, for sending and receiving mails, maintaining employee data. In this way, we are using computer in office. In bank, keeping records of money at cash counters, for maintaining account details of customers. At ATM, withdrawing money, from ATM. In this way, we are using computer in bank. Use of computer at home for watching movies, for playing games, for listening movies, for doing online classes, for doing homework, for maintaining monthly expenses, for internet surfing, for informations, for work from home. We are using computer at home at various purposes. Now, use of computer at railway station and at airport. For reservation and cancellations of tickets, for boarding pass at airport, for keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. In this way, we are using computer at railway stations and at airport. Now, let's see a small revision what we learn in this session. In this session, we learn use of computer or role of computer in school, in office, in bank, at home, at railway station and at airport. In school, we are using computer for keeping students' record, for teaching, in library for track records of books, making question paper, making notes, sending circular to students. In this way, we are using computer in school. In office, for typing and printing documents, sending and receiving mails, maintaining employee data. In banks, maintaining money records, maintaining account details of customers. At ATM center, for withdrawing money. At home, for entertainment, for doing homework, for doing online classes. At railway stations and airport, for reservation and cancellation of tickets. So, keeping records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. So, in this way, we are using computer at different places for different purpose. In coming session, we are going to learn use of computer at hospitals, in defense and research center, for entertainment, for designing. Now, students, read lesson number 2 carefully. If you have any doubt, you ask me in our live session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.